The Ukrainian Ministry of Defense confirmed that recently received towed FH70 howitzers were used in combat operations against Russian targets. The Ukrainian military also said that new 155mm howitzers strike wiping out Russian targets during fighting in the eastern Ukrainian region of Donbas. The FH70 is a powerful 155mm howitzer jointly developed by the United Kingdom and Germany. It uses a 155mm 39 caliber ordnance with a double baffle muzzle brake and sliding breech block. The maximum range is about 30 kilometers. The loading system is semi-automatic and consists of a loading tray and an automatic tube loader, which operate at any elevation or traversal. The howitzer is operated by a crew of 8 soldiers, while the minimum combat team is 4 men. It is fitted with a VW engine and so can also operate as a self-propelled gun over short distances.